Hey guys, today we're checking out BayPhoto's curved metal prints. BayPhoto's curved metal prints are a sleek and modern metal print that stands on its own. This unique option features BayPhoto's durable metal prints infused with vibrant colors, brilliant luminescence, and exceptional detail, curved into a convex or concave form for a freestanding display. They have 12 choices in sizes, from 4x6 to 12x18, with two curve types, convex or concave. Corner treatments can be sharp square, 1/8 rounded, 3/16 rounded, or scalloped. Their surfaces are high gloss, mid gloss, satin, sheer glossy, or sheer matte. The production time on these is only 3 business days. Well, that does it for this product highlight. To see more of BayPhoto's amazing prints and all the options they have to offer, head to BayPhoto.com. The coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, you just have to click the link in the description below and it'll take you to BayPhoto. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.